LiveKit today, every day, handles over 2 million calls in production, and customers are building all sorts of different services, from customer service to sales to even handling 911 calls. So in order to support all of that traffic, we built our own SIP stack from scratch. A typical call would flow something like this, where it will go from the user's device first to the carrier networks, and then it makes a stop at something called a SIP trunk provider, which actually connects the call to LiveKit. And then at that last to your agent, right? So this is not bad. This works today very well, but you can notice that it takes quite a few network hops to get to your agent. So we asked ourselves, how do we simplify this? Well, the first step is pretty simple. If you deploy your agent into LiveKit Cloud, they're running in the exact same data center as the rest of the LiveKit network. So that last hop, you can kind of save right off the bat. But how do we reduce complexity further? Can we actually skip the SIP trunk provider? Can we essentially make the call go direct? So today, I'd like to introduce LiveKit Phone Numbers, our first-party service for telephony.
Let me take you over to our telephony tab. Before today, you would have probably just seen two sub-items in the menu here, calls and something else called configuration. And the configuration involved the ability to add inbound and outbound trunks, which were the SIP trunk providers, as well as dispatch rules. So what we've done here is we've added this new tab called phone numbers. So I'm going to dive in a little bit into the phone numbers experience and show you how easy it is. Let's just look at buy a number here. I'm going to click that, and you have a bunch of phone numbers that show up. Let me choose the 925 area code because I'm from the East Bay, and that's what the area code over there is. Cool. So enter. Yeah, there you go. Let's buy this one and confirm. All right, numbers purchased. And we have in LiveKit a concept called dispatch rows. That's the way you hook up a phone number to an agent. So let me create a new dispatch rule. It's going to say demo, and over here we need to add that agent that Ben created. So the name of that agent was stock helper, and over here this was the phone number that we just bought. It's already pre-selected, so I'm going to create that. And a moment of truth is now. So I'm just going to make that call.
Hello, welcome to. Hi there. How can I assist you with stock prices today?
Hi, what is the price of Apple?
The current price of Apple stock is $267.44. Would you like to know the price of any other stock?
Not for now. Thank you so much. All right, there you go. That's simple. Yep.